Hey, what's up everyone? BitMe Son back with another Bitcoin video. So currently right now I'm on the BTC 4-hour time frame, the Bitcoin 4-hour time frame, and today's video we're just going to go over a few charts just to see what this price is doing right now, and we'll see if we can find a few targets. So let's just jump right into it. Current price right now is 42,445. So if you guys do notice, this was the top, it looks like, and we're on our way to working down. So you zoom out, you kind of see maybe something like this, you know, just a possible trend line that could be maybe forming somewhere down here. And if this is the case, we could be writing down that line up until that point. It's just kind of my idea. Or we could even come down to this bottom one. It just kind of depends. I mean, we're in a downtrend, it looks like, and if we were working up, if you notice, we're going up like a staircase right here. The staircase flipped. So that's what I'm saying, is that like the same way we came way up here and we came all the way back to where we started, we kind of started down here. My idea would be at least to back to down here before we go back up. And this price around is coming in around 40,000. So if we don't hold current price right now, let me see. Let me give a few price targets. Let me see. All right. So current price right now is 42,450. We need to break 42,500. Or sorry, yeah, or actually we're already under that. No, that's going up. So if we want to push up, we need to break 42,500. If we're going to push down, then if we break 42,250, then we're coming down. So that's the next like break of structure, I would say. Is if we break that 42,220, and if we break that one, the next option, our next price area will probably be around 41,800. And then if you break that one, the next one will be 41,500. Like I said, these are more smaller targets, just because, like I said, we could like break underneath one and just stay under it for a little bit, but come right back above it. So this is why, like, I just give a few different targets, because like if we see this certain price and then we're like, okay, this needs to hold, and then it goes down a little bit more, okay, that's the price that needs to hold. And if it goes down a little bit more, I'm just saying, because like I said, it could always go a little bit underneath of the first support and just be sitting there, and then you not really know, oh man, I don't know if it's gonna go like found support or what. But like each little target is just a newer support. But yeah, so that's for just that. Those are a few price targets. We did find a little bit of support, but like I said, I don't know how much more. Like we were in this area right here, and this was the important area, and the fact that we broke it, this was like the main break of structure. So now we're on a downtrend, it looks like. Let me check this RSI real fast. Do I not have one for this? Oh, I don't. All right, let me check this one. This is supposed to be on the 2-hour. So this was the same chart, but on a 2-hour. So as you can see, we're pretty much doing the same thing. And my next bet would be, if we do push up, it'll be around to this area, 43,250. If we do. But yeah, I would definitely look into that. All right, so this was another chart that I had. This was just a pretty much kind of giving me some support and resistance. And as you can tell, when we did come up to this resistance up here, we dropped, and pretty much people probably shorted from right here, took profits just to bring it back down. So the thing is also, though, is that we didn't come all the way to support, but we are catching this bounce already. I don't know if I just think we will catch support at this white line before we move back up. And like this little area right here is kind of, that's the part we need to break. If we break that area, then we could be pushing up. It just like I said, it just, if we do come up, we could be working our way into this little area, and then once we hit this line, it's going to be the next decision if we're going to be moving up. But that's in the 41,000, so it starts at 40,000 pretty much to 42,000 in that area. So it just depends. Yeah, it's just this market has just been crazy lately. These last few days, like if you notice, everything is just kind of going left and right. It's not, I mean, it's making big jumps or whatever, but it's like, this is why too, I don't trade with emotions. I kind of use my own emotions just for advice. And like I said, the way I'm feeling right now is that it's just been going so sideways like this that it's been really like taking a toll on a lot of people. So some people have been able to hold. Some people probably got paper hands and then they sold. They didn't want to lose or whatnot. But I mean, I got diamond hands. If I'll probably, I mean, it wouldn't be smart, but just an idea is like my type of diamond hands is I'll probably take it to 0 before I sell. But I don't think it'll ever do that. But I mean, the day I think that'll happen, I probably will sell it all anyway. So like I said, I don't think it'll happen, which is why I think like that. But yeah, so yeah, I need to work on this chart. It kind of was giving me a little bit of confusion. I need to really look into it again. Let me check this chart. This was on the daily. So as you can see, we did pump up in this flag and then we broke out of it, and it usually comes down to where we started at. So it'll be around, probably somewhere around here, possibly could be around 39,000. Man, it just doesn't look good if that happens. So the thing is too, is just we did find support pretty much right here, right where this stopped at. So it definitely depends on this next area. Let me check this chart. This is the same chart on the 4-hour, and as you can see, we are working our way down. I'm just wondering if this possibly could be something like that, maybe. Oh yeah, that looks nice. So what that usually happens is, if you notice at the bottom left, it says a flag, continuation bullish variant. So I mean, if we pump up, we consolidate into the flag, it usually goes up. So if that's the case, if we are working our way down, it's just kind of building up. It depends on how low we can go, but this next, I believe this little yellow line is the support. So if we do come down, it could be to the support. And then if we make it down to this point, this is where I'm taking a long at. I'll put my stop loss a little bit underneath it just in case. But my idea would be that, I mean, this is why I have a stop loss in case this happens. So if I buy in right there, my stop loss is right underneath it. If it comes down, I'll just only lose a little bit, so that's why I say only trade with that unless you have a stop loss. That way you don't get wrecked. But yeah, so my idea would be that it's going to come down to here. I'll probably wait for it to bounce and then try to catch this long, at least back up to this or something. I'll definitely be waiting for that and looking forward to that. So yeah, if you guys like that video, please like and subscribe. If you wouldn't mind subscribing, we're trying to hit 80 or 90 subscribers. We're at 82 subscribers, so we're almost there. So I appreciate everybody watching this far into the video. And if you guys like this video, I'll be making these videos every single day. So I appreciate everybody watching, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Peace.